Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Chevrolet Camaro 1969 easy method. Begin with simple shapes. Draw a long rectangle for the body, add circles for wheels, then sketch the roof line and front grille. Refine the hood and fender with smooth curves, add a split bumper and dual headlights, place side vents and a rear spoiler, and finish with shading and panel lines to give depth and muscle. Place accurate proportions by measuring wheelbase and body height with light guidelines, keeping the front slightly lower. Block in the windshield, roof, and trunk shapes, then define the fenders and hood scoop. Add characteristic stripes or emblems after structural lines are clear. Work from large to small details, checking symmetry and perspective. Use varied line weight to suggest chrome trim and body panels before moving to final inks and erasing guides. If you're really enjoying this drawing tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more easy art guides. Quick recommendation: books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for sketches and reference photos on the go. I find it handy when comparing shapes and details while drawing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching this little break. Now let's get back to the video. Now refine wheels, tires, and suspension stance so the car sits firmly on the ground, aligning rims with guide circles. Draw headlights, grille mesh, and bumper details, adding mirrors and door handles. Indicate panel seams and vents with confident strokes, then apply light hatching for form and curvature. Keep highlights on metallic surfaces by leaving crisp white spaces, and darken shadows under arches to enhance the muscle tone before final cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.